Welcome to AutoZone TV, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. Whether you're a gearhead, an adventurer, or just curious about the latest rides, we've got you covered. In today's video, we dive into the 2025 Can-Am Ryker, a three-wheeled marvel that continues to redefine open road freedom. The 2025 model introduces refined performance, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable style. Built for riders of all levels, the Ryker offers an accessible entry point for those new to the world of trikes. With a powerful Rotax engine, available in 600cc and 900cc options, the Ryker delivers a thrilling yet controlled ride. Enhanced suspension and advanced stability systems make cornering and rough terrain smoother than ever before. For tech enthusiasts, the Ryker doesn't disappoint. It now features an upgraded digital dashboard with smartphone connectivity, navigation capabilities, and customizable ride modes to suit any preference. The design is bold and customizable, allowing riders to express their unique style with a variety of colors, decals, and accessories. Safety remains a priority, with features like traction control, ABS, and easy-to-operate braking systems ensuring confidence for all riders. The ergonomics have also seen improvements, with adjustable handlebars and footrests to ensure comfort on long rides. Storage solutions have been enhanced, making the Ryker not just a fun ride but a practical choice for daily use. Its compact and lightweight frame adds to its maneuverability, making it suitable for both city streets and open highways. At AutoZone TV, we believe in delivering the most comprehensive reviews and guides to help you make informed decisions. Whether you're considering the Can-Am Ryker for weekend getaways, daily commutes, or just adding a little thrill to your routine, this model is worth a closer look. Don't forget to check out our other videos where we explore more bikes, cars, and everything in between. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. AutoZone is here to fuel your passion for the road, so join our community of enthusiasts and never miss a beat.